Across Canada, a growing number of crypto investors are turning to VortexValor to trade with more confidence and improved precision. Users report significantly better trade execution compared to manual strategies, with noticeable improvements in performance. One trader even shared that their account balance more than doubled in just a short time by using a simple strategy powered by AI. Those who join early now have access to exclusive, unreleased strategies that are currently only available through the official link below. So, what exactly is VortexValor? It's not a trend or a matter of luck. This AI-driven trading platform is designed to automate crypto trades, enhance decision-making, and provide real-time insights, all without the emotional interference or constant screen time that manual trading often requires. It detects market trends, monitors institutional activity, responds instantly to global news, and continuously adjusts its strategies to fit changing conditions, acting as your intelligent trading partner around the clock. Whether you're new to crypto or have trading experience, VortexValor gives you full control. Your funds remain safe on trusted exchanges. You can pause, customize, or test strategies in demo mode anytime, with complete flexibility. Still on the fence? Try the platform in demo mode, completely risk-free, and see how VortexValor fits your trading approach, all before connecting real funds. As Canada's crypto trading scene continues to evolve, VortexValor is emerging as a top choice for investors looking to trade smarter through AI and automation. In today's fast-paced markets, staying ahead is everything, and VortexValor is here to help you do just that. Follow the official link below to sign up, claim your welcome bonus, and start trading with more confidence today. Manual trading is yesterday. AI is the way forward. Welcome to VortexValor.